Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, my bike is in a total mess right now. The battery is dead. It's been almost 4 years since I purchased this bike. I purchased it around March 2018 and right now it's March 2022, so it's exactly 4 years. So that's the life of a battery, and this battery has died. Let me show you. Although everything starts here, the bike won't start. What? It started.
Honestly, I was expecting the bike not to start, so if it didn't start, I would roll down the bike from top here and start the bike in third gear. So that would have been a way to show you how to start the bike in third gear in case your battery has failed. However, that plan has failed right now. Just FYI, if ever your bike does not start because of a battery failure, all you have to do is just roll down the bike or push the bike and start it in third gear. It should work. So I actually haven't finalized whether I have to replace the battery today or not. I got some work today, like I'll have to fill petrol for the bike, go to the ATM, get some medicines, get some fruit, so there'll be a lot of stopping and starting of the bike. There's obviously some difficulty in starting the bike. It takes a lot longer than usual, and few days it has failed to start as well. That is why I was thinking of replacing the battery. Anyways, with today's ride, with a lot of top start situation, I will know if the battery needs to be replaced or not, and if on the way I feel that the battery is really going to die, then definitely I'll replace the battery. So let's just wait for that. So right now let's head to the fuel station to fill up the bike. An interesting thing right now is that people filling petrol on their private vehicles have to be some sort of millionaire, because that's how expensive petrol is in India right now. That truck guy has to be a billionaire. This bike guy is a millionaire. Where are the other vehicles here? All the vehicles on the right are millionaires. Well, I'm just a humble guy. I'm going to fill for just 500 rupees. I really hope my bike does not embarrass me by not starting right now. This is at a petrol station where a lot of people are watching. Oh, thank God. There are many reasons for the high price of fuel in India. Some would say that it is because of the Ukraine-Russia war or other global factors contributing to the rise in fuel price. But the main reason being that 70% of what we pay goes as taxes to both the central and state government, and that's the main reason why fuel price is very high in India. Anyways, for those of you who have missed that video, can watch it right above here. Right now it's time to go get some medicines. So I got the medicines and I'm not worried about the bike not starting because there's a steep slope here where I can roll down the bike in case it does not start. Also, there are no people here to watch me get embarrassed. Okay, so the bike has started, but you can see how long it takes for it to start once I crank it. So obviously the bike's battery is pretty weak. So next stop is to the ATM. Let's go. Now before we go to the ATM, let's just check the rates of the RR310's battery. I prefer Amaron and I checked the rates online. It comes around 2000 to 2400 rupees with the old battery replaced. So I know shop here in Marthandam. Let's inquire about the rates. Here's that shop on the left. It's just under the bridge. So the battery model for RR310 is the Z9. So keep that in mind. Now let's inquire. So unfortunately the Amaron Z9 battery is not in stock with them, and usually their rates are pretty competitive, so that's just bad luck. Anyways, let's head to the ATM right now. Okay, so now let's start the bike and see. Let's see if it starts normally. Oh no, it didn't start. Now this is the main problem. The instrument cluster glitches like this and it never starts after this. Oh damn it. I can't push it on this road with a lot of people watching. Come on RR310, you gotta start now. Oh man, I hope it starts. It's too hot here. Oh thank god, it started. Okay, so now I made up my mind. I'm going to replace the battery right now. First let me go buy some fruits and then we're going to replace the battery. Now it really doesn't matter if the bike starts or not, as I'm going to replace the battery anyways, but hopefully I wish it starts so that I don't have to push start the bike. Okay, it has started. Now let's head to the battery shop to replace the battery. Whichever shop comes first, we'll just replace the battery there. So there is an Excite dealer on the left side here. Let's inquire the rates with them. If the rate is good, we can replace the battery here itself. So I'm going to change the battery from here itself, guys. It's the Excite Z9 battery. It's the same stock battery that came with the bike. The rate is pretty reasonable. They are quoting 2000 rupees with the exchange of the old batteries. So I'm going to replace it from here itself. So this is the XLT Z9 model from Excite. This is the stock battery that came with the bike. It has 48 months warranty and the MRP of this battery is around 2450 rupees. Up to 2 years the replacement is completely free. After the second year, Excite will replace the battery on a pro rata basis. You can check the conditions on this chart here. These are the conditions after the second year. So the battery is replaced. I paid for it and I'm headed back home right now. I just want to mention that the drone vlogs have been pending a lot. I actually planned a lot last month, but I just couldn't find the time to do it. Since a lot of you have requested for the drone vlogs, I'll try my best to do a few this month, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already, and until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.